Now I took all the light bulbs out of your room. You are no longer allowed to have lights. But then it's gonna be too dark down there. Mom! Now go to your room and don't come out until Halloween night. Oh! And then he walked in and saw me eating all the cheese. And then he took all the light bulbs out of my room.
That son of a... What a wise guy. Hold up. Where's your best friend, Gonzo?
I don't know. He was here a minute ago. Gonzo! Who turned off the TV? What the hell was that? What the hell?
Now what's my name?